Listening to the man of God, Pastor Chris, is always a blessing, always exciting. And there is one topic that the man of God, Pastor Chris, says he loves more than any other topic. In fact, he said he could preach every day for a whole year on this topic. And that's the topic of today's Rhapsody Realities. What's the topic? Go and find out in today's article. You would enjoy it. If you're not yet a partner with the Rhapsody Realities, I want to encourage you to become a partner. In fact, I want you to join me to distribute 20 million copies of Rhapsody Realities, and you can do it by sponsoring in the following categories. Just go ahead and click. Download the Rhapsody Realities app if you don't have it, and you can read Rhapsody in 3,700 languages with the Rhapsody Realities lingual app. This is Rhapsody Clicks. Have a fantastic day. I love you. God bless you.